Hello.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brenda here, and if at all you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. You can like, you can share, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. For my returning subscribers, guys, just know that I love you, and I'm here because of you. So guys, it's very nice, it feels nice to be home. I just came home this morning and I'm so privileged and I'm so excited, guys, to come back and get you this, to show you this video, guys. This is another exciting video. So guys, I decided that I should just come and show you where we used to wash when we were growing up, guys. And I just want to take you, just show you the environment, and I'm together with my daughter. Honey, can you introduce yourself?
Hi.
My
name is Masha. Now you can download the YouTube
You tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my mommy's YouTube channel.
Yes. This one is so fun.
Yeah, it would be very fun, yeah?
Yes.
So you can see my nephew is down there and he's having a good time, guys. Look, have a look at him. He's having a very good time. Look at him throwing those stones at the lake, yeah? So guys, it's very interesting. Actually, look at what is happening at the lake. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. And actually at the other end you can realize you see crowds of people. Actually there, it's called Junga Hill Camp. It's where you can go and just relax. Just go and spend your free time listening to live band music if you want. So my community, we are blessed because even for our leisure time it's catered for, guys. Look at the boats here, guys. These are boats that go fishing. Look at them. And actually most of these boats go fishing during the night, yeah? These our boats go fishing during the night. Do not worry about my nephew because he's just having his good time. Look at him, he's having his good time. But hey, I don't want you to go close to the water. It's not good for you. Can you come back this other end? So look at this, guys, look at this. And actually I've noted that people, most of the fishermen have dried their nets. As you can see, guys, look, have a look. They have dried their nets. I think because it's the festive season and maybe they will not go fishing. I think maybe they decided to just clean them and dry them so that after Christmas, maybe when they get back to work, everything is all set. So guys, I want to show you an example of a boat that is found here in the western part in the shores of Lake Victoria in my home. Look at this boat, guys. Look at it. Actually it's made of wood. Look at it. Look at the shape, guys. Look at it, guys. Let me show you the inside part, guys. Let me show you the inside part. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look. And actually these are the paddles. I don't know whether you can see, guys. These are the paddles, yeah? Look at that. These are the paddles. And by the way, it is a precaution that all the fishermen, while going fishing, they should be having life jackets. So look at this, guys. These are the life jackets. Look at this. These are the life jackets, guys. Are you seeing this? And look at these, guys. Oh my goodness. And you know these boats, they have their names. Let me show you. Like for example, this boat here is called Amazing Grace. Look at this. So look at this. And maybe these people, maybe they are going fishing. I'm not sure, but I don't know. But I think because I can see some of them had just eaten, and I think they're preparing to go. And actually I've just seen something. Look at that. People are having fun at the lake during the evening times. Look at it, guys. Oh my goodness, it's very, very, very interesting. And actually, when we were growing up, this place was not as hilly as it is. I don't know what has happened actually, because we used to wash from here. We used to wash and then also swim. But right now we cannot swim because this lake has been infested by crocodiles. It's very, very dangerous, yeah? the lake has become very dangerous. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Have a look, guys. Have a look. Have a look at that, guys. I know you are not able to see my face because I just want to show you what happens. And if you look at right over there, you can see children. Some of them are washing utensils and just taking their shower. Look at that, guys. So that is what we used to do. And in fact, we used to shower and then we go swimming, and we could swim until that other end where you see people. Guys, do you see that? Do you see that? And when you look at, you can see from this other end, guys. I don't know what has happened. I don't know why they have decided to do this, because I don't understand, but I will let you know, guys. Yeah, I will let you know. So guys, this is what happens, and you just look at it. Look at it. I think that is the wind. Look at it. Look, guys, have a look. So have a look at it, guys. Oh my goodness, this is very exciting, guys. It's so exciting. Oh my goodness. And by the way, those ones who don't know papyrus reeds, look at that is papyrus reeds. And maybe I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain much about papyrus reeds in my next vlog. Yeah, so guys, look at it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. And do not forget subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Just support me. Support your little girl, guys. Just support your girl by subscribing. Just clicking on the subscribe button, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that guy. Have a look at the kids. Have a look at them, guys. Have a look at them. Have a look at them. Oh my goodness. Have a look at them. Have a look at them. So I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. See you next time.